Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Anker Soundcore P3i with any Android phone or tablet. First of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 or 30 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect any previously connected devices. And next, you can just open this charging case. Yeah, just like that, and as you can see in my case, they are already in the pairing mode. This indicator is blinking, as you can see. So right now, I will be able to find them on the available devices list. So on our device, we have to go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on, and take a look for available devices list. If you cannot find your earphones right here, or for example this indicator is not blinking in your case, you have to click and hold this button for like 3 seconds until this icon starts blinking like that. So select your headphones from the list, accept the pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And also we have to remember to do not close this cover while trying to connect them to any device. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.